Koe nei te rā tuatoru o hune ane ngā taioro o Te Tai Rāwhiti. Tuatahi ake ki Ngāti Porou I hopu kina e Nick Greeks I tētahi kiriata o tētahi hōhonu e kauhoi ana I wharekahika I te ata o te rā horoi I aia ehi I kāna. Hoki mai ki tūranganui a kiwa kua whakawhiwhia a Tim Marshall ki te tohu Order of Merit mo ana mahi nui ki te haupori nei me te ao waka ama. Hei whakakapi ake ki Ngāti Kahungunu, ka tū he whakaaturanga motuhake mo te rua wiki e kia nei ko whakanui hei whakanui I a matariki. Ka whakahaere hia ki here taunga a kua nei. A kāti koera ngā taioro o te wā nau mai anō ki Kapu Tai Rāwhiti. Tūturu ko te tukinga ātau I waenga I te tīma Whutupōro o Poverty Bay me Ngāti Porou East Coast, tētahi o ngā whakataetae rongonui rawatu I te Heartland Championship of Aotearoa. E whakaatu ana I te hononga hōhonu I waenga I ngā rohe rua o te Tairawhiti. Kāri ko atu I te hiranga o tēnei kēmu. Heoi, I tēnei tau, e hara I te mea I whakapāho noiho a Pāora Brooking o Radio Ngāti Porou I te tukinga a mataora nei. Engari whai wāhi hoki aia ki te uiui I ngā kaiako me ngā kaitākaro. Anei, tāna pūrongo.
Kia ora whānau, welcome to Whakaatu Park for today's clash, the annual King's Birthday clash between Poverty Bay and Ngāti Porou East Coast. It's the 178th time that these teams have clashed. Let's go and meet up with the coaches and see how the prep's been. Pāora Ian, how's the prep been this week, bro, for the boys?
Yeah, pretty good, eh? So we had 3 trainings to get through, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday evening, and the feel in the campus, yeah, pretty positive, eh? A lot of energy, good attitude, and a lot of buy-in from the young fellas, so yeah.
So what can we expect to see out there from the boys today?
I think a lot of flair, there's a lot of young talent on the side, and led by some good veterans of the Poverty Bay Union, so a bit of a combination between those guys. I'm hoping to see good chemistry come through, so yeah, it should be exciting.
Hey Kahu, how's the prep been this week?
Yeah, kia ora whānau. Yeah, prep has been good. You know, with us we have limited prep, so it has to be quality, and I'm pretty impressed with how the boys have taken to coming together, and yeah, no, I'm really excited.
You've got a lot of young fellas in there today. How are they settling in?
Yeah, really good, really good. They actually surprised me. You know, usually young fellas come in and they hide away and they don't really speak, but there's a handful of these boys that are doing the opposite, which is good.
At the other end of the scale today, you've got a couple of veterans notching up a couple of milestones. The Sammy Parks plays his 100th first-class game, and Richie Green togging up for the 50th time.
Yeah, no, it's given us some, you know, some good momentum, motivation. 2 fellas who have put their body on the line for the Sky Blue for, you know, how many years it takes to get those amount of caps. So I know they don't like that stuff, but it's good for us because we can use it.
Awesome, bro. All the best for today.
Kia ora.
Both teams pretty evenly matched for the first 10 minutes, but it would take the big number 8 from Poverty Bay, Moala, to get the first points on the board. It's still there for Poverty Bay. There's an advantage here. They come again through Moala. Spinning, turning. Can he get it down? He does, right in front of the referee there. Poverty Bay will take the first points. Ngāti Porou would answer back at the 22nd minute mark with a try off a line-out drive to Jory and Tairawhiti. The drive on here, they set it up as Poverty Bay shunt them backwards, but now they get the drive going. Tairawhiti with the ball in the back. They keep moving. Driving again. Tairawhiti's got it. Can they get him over the line? There's the first points to Ngāti Porou off one of those driving mauls. A costly mistake from Ngāti Porou while on attack would see Poverty Bay pick the ball up just outside their 22 and go the length of the field to score under the post, showcasing some brilliant passing on the way. Does Poverty Bay come away with it through Grant? They've got support here. Grant, he's got numbers with him. There's 2. Back in field now to Prophet. Prophet stepping. Prophet still going. Oh, beautiful stepping here from Matt. Prophet gets the pass away to Nick. Oh, and it's got beautiful running there behind the post. Poverty Bay taking advantage of the loose play from Ngāti Porou. Ill discipline would prove costly for Poverty Bay, allowing the man celebrating his 100th first-class game to score a try right under the post to even up the score. Probably a bit of chat there. Parks goes quickly. Parks going at the line. Oh, under the post there for Sammy Parks. After 10 minutes in the second half, Poverty Bay would take a 3-point lead through a penalty to first five Nick Profit. But it wouldn't take long for Ngāti Porou to answer back through some individual brilliance down the sideline through second five, Tremaine Butler to score in the corner.
Butler will go in the corner, some nice work there from the midfield.
Ngāti Porou would score off a line-out drive through replacement prop Jaden Luia Pukia before Poverty Bay would score a brilliant backs try down the sideline, Ngāti Porou taking out the game 28 points to 22.
They come again out to, this is Claudio, I think, gets it to Purvis. Purvis up the middle here, he's got numbers with him. Profit sends it out to Bosco. Congratulations, bro, your first game at captain, and the boys have done you proud.
Yeah, bro. Tuatahi ake, pakanga nui te rānei, me mihi ki a tūranga, I tai mai ki konei, mihi ana ki ngā kaupoi o Ngāti Porou I whakakanohi te iwi tēnei rā. Yeah, bro, it was another mean battle, and I was just glad to come out on top.
I was just going to mention those two players that celebrated milestones today. You've played a few games with them. What do they mean to Ngāti Porou rugby?
Yeah, so they're the epitome of a kaupoi, especially Greenie and Parksy. They've been here through the dark years, and they've been there through the top years too. So me mihi ana ki era rangatira, still doing it, still battling, even at this old age.
Ko ka mautu e mihi atu ana kia koutou te kapatoa o Ngāti Porou East Coast. Kia mātai whakamua I nāi nei ki ngā tohu huarere huri I Te Tai Rāwhiti. Ki rua tōria ka ua mo te ronga atu o te rā, he ua ko patapata I te ata, ka kaha ake I te ahi me te pō, me te hau pūkeri, te kaumāwaru te pāmahana. Ki turanganui a kiwa he wā kapua a ka heke ētahi pataua I te ahi, te kaumāwhitu te pāmahana. Ki te mataua Māui, ka kapua te rangi, a ka heke te ua I ētahi wā, ka kaha ake I te ahi me ngā hau pūkeri. Rua te kau te pāmahana. A kāti koe katoa ngā kōrero kua maringi mai te tīkira Kapu Tai Rāwhiti. Noho ora mai.